Welcome once again all of you for the today's lecture in physics. We are going through JEE Mains 2016 and the problem is based on common emitter configurations and the requirement is relation between alpha and beta. So as to understand that you must have to know the basic concept. I have drawn here the common emitter configuration of NPN transistor because you can see here that collector base emitter junction. At the emitter junction is current seems to be coming out from the emitter. The base emitter junction is followed by this battery, while collector emitter junction is reverse biased by this battery. If you are trying to search the direction of current or production of current, you can see here that the base current is entering inside the junction. The collector current is also entering inside the junction, while the emitter current is given out from the emitter junction. The emitter current IE, base current IB, collector current IC are interrelated by the two factors. The collector current IC upon emitter current IE is called as alpha factor, while the collector current IC and base current IB is called as beta factor. So these are the two relations we must know. As I said earlier, the base current is entering inside the junction, inside the transistor. The collector current is also entering inside the transistor, while emitter current is given out. According to transistor action, the emitter current IE is equal to the base current IB plus collector current IC. This is the basic transistor action relation for the transistor. Now what I am doing here, I am trying to divide each and every term by IC on both sides. IE upon IC is equal to IB upon IC plus IC upon IC. IE upon IC can be written in this way: 1 upon IC upon IE. 1 upon IC upon IE means IE upon IC, the previous one. IB upon IC can be written in this fashion: 1 upon IC upon IB. 1 upon IC upon IB means IB upon IC, the same thing, plus IC upon IC is equal to 1. Why I have did this? This is because I know the value of IC upon IE as alpha, IC upon IB equal to beta, and I want to find out the interrelation between this. IC upon IE is nothing but alpha, therefore 1 upon alpha is equal to IC upon IB is nothing but beta, 1 upon beta plus 1. So this is one of the option which is true. This is the correct option for the required equation. But will there be any alternative option as well? Let's check that. What I am doing here, I am multiplying this beta to this one so that it comes out to be this. I am trying to shift this part on this side. 1 upon alpha is equal to 1 plus beta upon total beta. 1 plus beta upon both of these can be divided by the beta. Just inversing it means reversing the numerator and denominator. It comes out to be alpha is equal to, alpha is shifted to the numerator, beta is also shifted to the numerator, upon this 1 plus beta is comes out to be the denominator, 1 plus beta. So this is also another option which is correct in that example. So what can I say? Option A is correct. Option C also correct. But option B and option D, both of these are wrong, incorrect options. So in this question you can solve that question. I hope you understood. Thank you.